So the Serpentine belt here on my T4, you can see it's wrapped around four main wheels. You've got the main crankshaft there, which is driving the belt. This is my power steering pump here. This up here is my alternator, and then you've got the tensioner here. So this here is a 6mm Allen, I reckon. Yeah, that's right. So all you need to do to take the belt off, put your Allen key in there, and then you can just loosen it. It moves like that. You can see the belt's moving. It's kind of a sprung arm. So I need two hands to do this, but I'm going to loosen it and take the belt off. Oh, there we go. So you want to make sure you've got the right belt, of course, and you should find part numbers on here. So if I look at my old belt, got 6PK 1353, and that's the part number that I've ordered here. As you can see, same part number, and I like to visually inspect it as well, just make sure it all looks the same size and everything. And then this is ready to go on, pretty much the same as how the other one came off. So that's on now. Just make sure all these ridges are all seated in the on the wheels there, in the right places. So I'll just give this a test. Make sure the engine runs fine and the belt doesn't fly off. And no more squeak.